Welcome to observation deck. That's what they call this. It is a literally mountain with literally just zigzag back and forth and full of cafes. And they have a swing here. They have multiple swings. So with that said, let's get some coffee, get on the swing, and have some views of the beautiful lake and the masjid right behind us. So let me show you. You can still see snow top of the mountain, and there are homes that are literally on top of the mountain right there, and they're literally sitting sideways. It's crazy. There's one set of swings right there. You got the heart one at the lower level. This view, oh my god, wow, I have never seen a view like this. This is incredible. You guys excited? You scared? You gonna be a good girl or bad girl? You gonna be a good girl or bad girl? Look at the mountains. Look at the mountains. Look. Deep breath. Deep breath, Day. You nervous? You not nervous? Haydi bismillah. Afiyet olsun. I don't want it. I don't want it. Allah 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 Allah. Okay, tamam tamam yeter tamam toba valla toba. This is officially the best thing and the most scariest thing to do in Trabzon. Besides paragliding, I'm sure. The cost for this is 30 lira, which is $3, $2.50. Probably the cheapest thing to do in Trabzon.
Amazing view.
Yeah, the mountains, the snow and everything.